Ever notice how some websites feel instant while others reload the entire page with every click? That's the power of client-side routing. React Router is the standard library for enabling client-side navigation in single-page applications. In a traditional multi-page app, clicking a link sends a request to the server, which returns a completely new HTML page. With React Router, your entire app loads once, and navigation happens instantly within the browser. The router intercepts clicks, updates the URL, and swaps out components, all without leaving the page. At its core, React Router maps URL paths to specific React components. You define routes using the root component, pairing each path with the component that should render. For example, /home renders your home component, /about renders about, and /users/user ID renders a user profile. When the URL changes, React Router matches the path and renders the corresponding component tree. The key benefit? Navigation happens without full page reloads. Traditional links cause the browser to fetch new HTML, re-download scripts, and reinitialize everything. React Router intercepts navigation, updates the URL, and surgically swaps components, preserving app state, avoiding flashes, and delivering instant transitions. Your users get a smooth, app-like experience. React Router comes packed with features. The link component creates navigable links without triggering reloads. Routes can nest inside each other for complex layouts. It handles browser history, so the back button works naturally, and it passes URL parameters and query strings so you can pass data through the URL. These tools make building multi-page React apps straightforward and intuitive. Bottom line. React Router enables seamless client-side navigation by mapping URLs to components without page reloads. Master it, and you'll build faster, smoother React apps. Now go practice your answer. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.